Yep, just like that. And look that way too. Yep, hold it, there you go. Yep, there you go, one more. There you go. Try looking the other way. Let me see. Yeah, it was like that. Hold 3, 2, 1.
What it do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi Png. We're back at it again with another one, man. So today we're doing some branding shot once again. Today we're creating a comp card for my client. She came to me. She wants to start getting into modeling. She wants to start getting into some different movies and different things like that, but she didn't know where to start. So we chose to start her off with a comp card to be able to kind of get her to start getting submitted to different places. And then we're going to follow up with some lifestyle shoots and different stuff like that to kind of help build her personal brand. That's what I kind of specialize in. So I be trying to help people build themselves, you know what I'm saying, and build their personal brand and be able to make money off their own face. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to be going ahead and get into this video right now. Just kind of give you guys a few things before I start. I'm using the Sony A7RV, my 24-70 lens. You guys ask that question a lot. I have links to everything that I use down below in the description. 3-light setup. I have my SK400 up top, and then I have a MS300 on my beauty dish right in front, and then I have a MS300 in the back on that strip light. Okay. 400 is kind of acting as my overhead light, like my overhead fill, if that makes sense, my overhead umbrella. I have the umbrella, but I didn't like using it as much in this space because my ceilings aren't as high as I would like them to be. But in other locations, I do use them, like the shoot that I did in Miami. But then I have that kind of getting that widespread, and then I have my beauty dish kind of getting a little bit of a closer shot, so that way it can be overall, you know, the shadows can be beat out, and I can kind of get it to look as soft as I want it to look. I have that beauty dish coming in punching with that MS300, then I have that back, right? So I have the back one at the SK400 at 1/16 power. I have the MS300 in the back of her with the grid on the with the grid on the strip box at 1/4 power, and then the soft box and the beauty dish in front of her is at 1/4 power as well. So that's what we're using. I'm on 5500 Kelvin for my white balance, and then I'm using my Sony A7R5. Let's get into it.
There you go. One more. 3, 2, 1. All right. So I'm thinking I want. So you're gonna kind of be like a step forward, right? And then you're gonna come up here like that. Just like that, yeah. So it's like a there you go. Yeah, like that. There you go. Yes, there you go, there you go. Come over a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Hold it, yeah. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Yep. And 1. And then we'll get some looking straight too. And then we'll do some like smiles and non-smiles. So like we'll start off without smiles. So just looking for it. Let me see. There you go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Yes, cute. Hold it. Yep. Play around with it. Yep. Yep. See your head down a little bit. Right there. Look right here. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. And then now some smiles. All right. There you go. Yes. There you go. Yes. Yep. And one more, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yep. And one. Like give me like some holding, like playing with like the hair a little bit, like that. Yep. Yep. There you go. Should your head a little bit. There we go, right there. Yeah. There you go. And one. There you go. So I'm gonna have you kind of like, what side's your side? When you take selfies, do you go like left side or right side?
Depends on my mood, but both. I guess right. Right.
This side? Okay, bet. So I'm gonna have you do like a step forward, and you're gonna be like this. All right. So kind of like how you're holding your hands like that, but like up more. So like yeah, like you say, you're holding like your thumb vibes. So like that. Yep. There you go. So it's gonna be like kind of close like this.
So I wanted to interrupt this video really quickly, let you guys know about the sponsor of today's video. Me, Mr. PNG himself. So I wanted to tell you guys really quickly about the PNG Culture Patreon channel, bro. The community is growing, and it's growing fast. Over there, you guys will get daily uploads. You guys will get calls with me each month. You guys get exclusive uploads, okay? I do all of my VFX breakdowns. I do all of my business stuff. I talk about cheese. I talk about bread. I talk about money on. You know what I'm saying? Helping you guys get better. All the things that I wanted to learn when I was younger, I put all of this into there. I call it my blueprint. It's literally how Taxi does everything that Taxi does. And yeah, and I try to organize it as best as I can into the Patreon channel. And being that I'm not really making any revenue from, you know, everything else that I do creatively, this YouTube channel and any other social media platform, I have to have the Patreon, and everybody that joins, I really do appreciate you guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. There's multiple different tier levels for you guys to join in on the family. And if you can't do that, that's fine as well. Make sure you're on the Discord. That thing is for the free ski. We talk in there every single day. We're helping each other out. We're helping each other get better at photography, videography, and content creation. Anytime that I'm free to, give any free game, I hop in the Discord and I make sure to answer any questions that I can whenever I can. Thank you guys. Shout out to our sponsor, PNG Culture. Now let's get back to the video.
Yeah, there you go. There you go, yep. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Turn your face more this way. Right there. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. And 1. There we go. So I'm gonna do something like this, you see how you're relaxing like that, kind of that type of vibe, but like change up the stance. Come over more. Right there, there we go. That's good. Yeah, that's cute. There you go. Yeah, turn your head up a little bit. Right there. Yeah, right there. Hold your hand, hold your wrist, just like that. Yep. There you go. Turn your head a little bit this way. Right there. A little bit less. Right there. There you go. Yeah, one more. Hold it. And 1. Look off that way. Right there, like that. Stu vibes. So I'm gonna have you here like this right here. So kind of one up, one down, leg wise. And you're gonna be like this right here. Turn a little to the side. So turn, yeah, a little bit more. Bring your foot over too. There you go, like that, yeah. Just like that, yeah. There you go, yep. Yep, and turn your head back this way a little bit. Right there. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. Turn your head up. Right there. Yep, there we go. And 1. Put that hand, instead of having it so far in, kind of bring it here. Right there. There you go, like that. And now bring your elbow in. Bring your elbow. Yeah, there you go, like that. There you go. Now you're good. Yeah, there you go. Yes, there you go, exactly. Yep, cute, yes. Turn your head down a little bit. Right there. That 1. Give me put that hand here, this right hand. Yep, just like that. Yep. Just like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, one more. And 1. Look off back that way behind you. Turn your face too. Turn your head. Yep, there you go. Yep, cute. Hold it. That's really cute. Hold it. Don't move. And 1 move. There we go. I want maybe both here. Try it. Come up a little bit. Like that. Touch your face a little bit. Right there. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, 1. And 1. There we go. What if you kind of come into your hair? You come in it. How would you pull it back? You know what I'm saying? If you're fluffing it out and fixing it in the mirror. Yeah, it's cute. See. Okay. That looks natural. So keep going through like that. I got you. Yep, cute. Yep. There we go. And 1. That's cute. And now go with 1 and just you're kind of trying to push it. Yeah, there you go. That's cute. There you go. Hold it. Yep. And 1 more. Look off. Yep. Hold. That's cute. Yep. Cute. Hold. And 1. There we go.
I make it a big thing for me to show and tell to my clients. So I'm going to show them how to do the thing. I'm going to tell them how to do it, but I'm also going to show them how to do it. So rather than just letting them, get out there and figure it out themselves, I want to show them, and be able to tell them at the same time. Because if you do it and then they do it, they'll feel like it's more possible. But if you tell them to do something, they're thinking about how stupid they may look before they even start. So I would say always show and then tell, or tell and then show. But don't just tell, because if you just tell, they're gonna be like, try to think from the point of view of your client. Maybe they feel like they look crazy, maybe they feel like they look weird. How can you help, make that go down? How can you help them not feel as weird? How can you help them feel more comfortable at the shoot? And I figured this out by showing and telling.
Is there anything in particular that you wanted to try?
No.
No? Let me see. I'm gonna do some fulls. Turn this way a little bit more. There you go, just like that. You're gonna have both of your feet forward. Hold on. You have to go like that, and you're gonna be looking over like that. Yeah, just like that. There you go. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Try to roll your shoulders back. There you go, like that. Yeah. And now lean forward a little bit to give yourself a little bit of an arch. There we go, boom. Cute. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, there we go. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. And 1. That left hand. So that left hand through the hair. Yeah, but don't go back with it. Kind of lean forward with it. Yeah, and eye contact with the camera. Yep, there you go. Yes, exactly. Yep. And 1. Hold it. Yeah, give me a little bit of a smile. Like, there you go. There you go, yeah. One more, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. And 1, hold it. Tilt your head up. Keep that hand there. Like, kind of like on your neck a little bit. But not to the neck. Yeah, like there. Boom. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold it. One more. Yep. 3, 2, and 1. To the head up. To the head up. To the head up. There you go. And 1. There you go. Got it. Thank you. Straight on. Come off the chair a little bit, like to the front of it. Yeah, like that. Like that. You gotta have both open like this. There, like that. Yeah. But have your hands like, and then push your shoulders back. Like that. Yeah, like that. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna have one of these right here. Yeah, just like that. And you're gonna kind of like come to the face, like a little bit, like. Yeah, like that, like that, like that. Yeah, just like that. Yep, just like that. There you go. Yes, exactly. Yep. Yep. One more. Yep. Cute. Hold it. Look off that way. Yep. Hold it. One more. It's gonna be like this right here. Yep, just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Just like that. That's cute. There we go. Yep. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. And 1, hold it. One more, yep, hold it. To the head this way a little bit. Right there, hold it. Don't move, don't. There you go. Yeah, look here. There you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, and 1. There you go.
Thank you guys so much for tapping in with me for this personal branding shoot for a comp card. I have an editing video coming out as well. I don't know if it already dropped, but it is on the Patreon already. The moment that I finish every single video, it gets uploaded to the Patreon. And then it kind of gets slowly rolled out to YouTube, or it may or may not even make it to YouTube sometimes. A lot of my editing tutorials always just stay in the Patreon because on YouTube, I don't know. I feel like you guys don't really be caring about that much. So I just kind of put it on the Patreon for those who really care. They can go over there and grab that up. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to let me know down below what you guys liked, what you guys didn't like, what should I change, some constructive criticism, things that I should do more often. I don't know, I'm just trying to overall get better because I really would love for this content creation to be my full-time career. Until next time, Taxi.